Let us solve problem number 8 of Milne-Thomson method. If u is real part of analytic function, then f of z is. First write u. U is half ln of x square plus y square. Okay, they have given this function. Then how will you find out this thing? Very easy. First write f of z. F of z is equal to u plus iv. Because they have given, first do differentiation with respect to x, ux plus I into vx. Now because they have given u, convert this into u, that will be minus ui. Then f dash of z, but we don't know ux and ui. Find out ux. Dou u by dou x is equal to ux is equal to, with respect to x, 1 by 2 will be constant. D by dx of ln of x is 1 by x square plus y square, but in place of x square plus y square is there. Again do differentiation with respect to x for x square plus y square, so I will get 2x. So that will be x by x square plus y square. Then dou v by dou y, dou u by dou y, do dou u by dou y with respect to uy. Half will be there and ln of x will be 1 by x square plus y square. Again do with respect to y, 2y. So entire thing will get cancelled and I will get y by x square plus y square. If you want, you can apply limits here only. If not, you can apply after substitution. So f dash is equal to ux plus I into minus uy. So ux is how much? Ux is how much? Ux is x by x square plus y square. X by x square plus y square plus I into uy is how much? Uy is minus y by, because minus is there, minus y by x square plus y square. Now what we have to substitute? Z tends to, x tends to z, y tends to 0. Come on, substitute. F dash of z will become z by z square plus 0, that will be plus I into this will be minus 0 by z plus 0. Okay, then this entire thing will be 0. So you have got only f dash of z as z. Now you have to apply integration on both sides. Why? Because you have to find f of z. F of z is equal to z square by 2 plus c. Okay, only this is the answer for f of z. Hope you are getting. Let us solve one more problem. That is problem number, I forgot to write that problem here, but you just note down that problem. Okay, I will give you one problem, and the problem goes on like this. If v is, suppose you can take it as 8a and 8b. Problem number 8b is, if v is equal to 2xy plus y is imaginary part of f of z, then f of z is, they are asking f of z is dash. So come on, find out f of z. How will you find v? They have given 2xy plus y. This thing I can write it as what? Before that, first find dou v by dou x. As you know, you should find these two, because we have given with v. Dou v by dou x is how much? With respect to x is 2y. Next, dou v by dou y with respect to y is 2x plus 1. Hope you are getting this. 2x plus 1. Now, as we know, f of z is u plus iv. Do f dash of z, that is ux plus I into vx. Now we have vx, and we have vy. How can you convert ux into vy? Ux into vy. How will you convert? Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. So I into vx. Then f dash of z is equal to 2x plus 1 plus I into 2y. Now apply limits. X tends to z, y tends to 0. Come on, what you will get now? F dash of z is equal to, here is a 2z plus 1, y is 0. So you will get 2z plus 1. Now apply integration on both sides, because you have to find f of z. F of z is equal to 2 into z square by 2 plus z 2 cancel, z square by 2 plus z plus some constant k. Okay, so this is the answer for f of z. Okay, let me give you one more problem. Okay, if you want you can do, or else you can go to another topic. So take that thing as question number 8c. If real part is 3x square minus 3y square, then f of z for an analytic function, then f of z is dash. Can't you do this? U they have given, u is equal to 3x square minus 3y square. Then I can write dou u by dou x is equal to 6x. Then dou u by dou y I can write it as minus 6y. Okay, after getting this f of z I can write it as u plus iv. Then f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx, but we don't know v, so convert that into u, that is minus uy. Then ux is how much? 6x plus I into uy is minus of minus plus 6y. Apply limits, x tends to z, y tends to 0. Then what you will get? F dash of z is equal to 6z plus I into 0, that will be 0. Apply integration on both sides. Then f of z is equal to 6z square by 2 plus c, that will be 3z square by x plus c, 3z square by z square plus c. This will be f of z. Hope you are getting this thing. From next video we will be starting another topic. Thank you.